Now, how to get a nice clean line with your rubber. So the first thing is to cut the edge.
And make
A nice clean cut. Be careful doing this on your paper because you could accidentally cut your paper and you don't want to do that. So you've got a nice clean face on it. And use that clean edge, holding it down on the edge of the rubber. And that will give you a nice clean line with the rubber. Now you'll have to keep swapping it because once it gets dirty it won't work anymore. But that's how I get a nice clean line. With your electric rubber, if it starts to get worn out on the top, the same thing, just chop the top off. And then you can use that clean edge to get some little finer lines in there. And then you can use your charcoal pencil or your graphite pencil to put in the contrast.